Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the connection. Make sure your iPhone is updated and Siri is turned on, because CarPlay relies on voice commands and permissions. Once done, plug the lightning cable into the CRV's USB port or initiate the wireless pairing sequence if available. Keep the phone unlocked during the first handshake. Make sure the infotainment system is awake and the car is in park. Then watch the screen for the CarPlay prompt so you can accept and proceed. Once connected, you'll see the CarPlay home screen. Tap to open it and accept any permission requests on your iPhone because CarPlay needs access to maps, messages, and media. Next, make the experience yours by arranging apps from your iPhone settings. This affects the CRV display layout and speeds access while driving. Also check audio routing and microphone inputs in the Honda system, so voice replies and call audio go through the car instead of the phone speaker. You're ready to use CarPlay. Tap apps or hold the wheel's voice button and say commands. Siri handles navigation, calls, messages, and music so you keep your eyes on the road. When finished, either unplug the USB or press home on the Honda display. To disable, go to iPhone settings General CarPlay and disconnect. If CarPlay won't connect, try a different lightning cable, restart both devices, and if necessary, reset network settings on the iPhone to clear pairing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.